Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zandile and this is my uncle's dog Tiger. He's going to be taking us on a tour through the garden. This is my uncle's garden in Durban, South Africa. He's running what he likes to call a true eco-friendly garden. Starting here on the vegetable garden side, we have some cauliflower, which has unfortunately been devoured by Christmas beetles. Then we have some pretty purple basil, some tomatoes, and right next to the tomatoes we've got some bokchoi, and some of it is already bolting. More on that cauliflower. Some of it still looks edible. Back to the purple basil. And over here we've got some bush beans. Pretty grown. It's already starting to flower. Some soil coverage to protect against erosion. We have some potatoes and amadumbe growing here. A closer look on that bolted bokchoi. And then we move over to the pumpkin patch side of the garden. Now this garden is located on a slope, so it's important to have as much ground coverage as possible so that you avoid erosion in times of rain. Durban has been experiencing a lot of rain this summer months. Now this is a very big pumpkin patch. As you can see, there are lots and lots and lots of pumpkin leaves scattered all over the slope. Now this is not only pumpkin, we also have patches of sweet potatoes growing in the midst of it all. Let's take a look and see what's growing under here. There's quite a number of flowers already. And as you can see, this has made a little ecosystem of itself with the logs and the ground coverage and everything else that is growing in this garden. Now this is part of the ground cover. As you can see, some of it he just lets it go. It has grown to be quite thick. So pretty much he lets some of the crops just do what they do and keeps some of the so-called weeds for nutrients and ground cover. He also doesn't use any pesticides. There's a volunteer corn in the midst of it. And more of the sweet potatoes scattered amongst the pumpkin leaves. Walking over to the other side of the garden, one thing I was excited about was seeing an actual curry plant. I've never seen a curry plant before, but I use a lot of curry leaves, so I definitely want one for my garden. Another plant that I hadn't seen before is comfrey. Now this here is comfrey. It has large leaves, with a very intricate, interesting pattern on them. Now, I don't know the names of most of these plants. What I know is on this side of the garden, there was a lot of succulents, but I know this one is a jade plant. There's another curry plant. And right next to the jade, there's a bit of spekboom growing there. Of course, it wouldn't be Durban without all the banana plants. So there's banana trees surrounding the yard. And that's the end of the tour. I must say I really enjoyed having a look around, and I definitely saw a couple of plants that I want to incorporate into my garden. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos and updates. Thank you for watching.